AI is taking over the world. But what happens if you rely completely on artificial intelligence for 24 hours? Today, I'm letting AI control my day, my work, my creativity, and even my decisions. I picked the 3 most powerful AIs today: ChatGPT, Google ImageFX, and Kling AI. And for the next 24 hours, I'm not making a single decision. They are. First challenge: can AI create a full video for me? ChatGPT wrote the script. Google ImageFX created the art, and Kling AI turned it into animated scenes. In seconds, okay, this is actually better than I expected. Next, I let AI solve all my tasks: emails, studying, planning, even generating ideas for my online job. ChatGPT writing an email, ImageFX turning a photo into a 3D model, Kling generating a video from your voice. I'm starting to think AI is smarter than me. But after hours of letting AI run my life, something unexpected happened. I realized AI doesn't replace you, it amplifies you. And here's the craziest part: the video you're watching right now was made with AI. If you want me to do 48 hours controlled by AI, smash like and subscribe.